How's it going there, wonderful people of the internet? My name is Nate Lake, and I'm over here at Madison Russ Dodge Jeep Ram, showing you one of my favorite vehicles of the new lineup. The 1500, specifically Laramie with a package. Now, what comes with that is out everything, including down to the rims, the logo, the badging, and my favorite part, these 22-inch rims that make the vehicle look beautiful all day round. Now let's head on to the back, and I'll show you something about the utility group in the back here. One of my favorite things about this is it has its on out pretty simply, allows you to step on up into the bed. And if you get the bed liner that comes with it, your vehicle's already set to go straight from the factory, including some bed light LEDs, making it easy to use at night. To worker in the middle of winter, we know how early the sun goes down. So one of my favorite features about this new 1500 is the easy and accessible power running boards. Makes it super convenient, and if you want to, here, follow me in. So now that we're inside the vehicle, I can show you some of my favorite features. One of them being this massive 12-inch display screen. It's big enough where you can have media and a few other options set up here and split it between the two. Outside of that, with this amazing screen comes some amazing camera equipment. So we have our backup camera with 360 vision that allows us to see exactly where the vehicle is going to go in its trajectory as I move the wheels. Outside of that, we have our heated seats, ventilated seats, and heated steering wheel, and you can do the same for your passengers. Now, one of the things that I think is super cool about this vehicle is its digital display mirror. So we actually can click it off and we have back to ourselves a normal mirror, and then put it back on to see everything that's going on behind us in about a full 180-degree way. Including that in your side mirrors, you should be able to see everything around you. Now, you can't see it, but I can, and that's my heads-up display. And those two things run in tandem with our digital display mirror. They provide enough information between sensors all over the car to keep you aware of what's going on, including lane departure and making sure that you are safe on the road. Everything inside this vehicle screams high quality and luxury, down to the 19 speakers that are included with the correct sound packaging. And if you have any other questions about the vehicle, we'd love to help you out down at the shop. So please feel free to come on down to Madison Dodge Jeep Ram Chrysler, and we'd love to show you what's part of our new lineup. Have a wonderful day.